Hello, it's Faye again from Unravel and Unwind, and I am still unpacking my Christmas presents from MadeMe.co.uk. MadeMe.co.uk is a UK selling site for artists and crafters from around the UK. So all our individual businesses, indie businesses, just like ourselves. So I made the conscious decision to purchase Christmas presents from them this year. And the next one that I'm going to show you, I've had to kick Mark out of the boat so that I can share it with you. Because this one is actually Mark's. So I love this has come from Earth Vibe Botanicals, and I like the fact that they're using cardboard that can be recycled. This was a custom made product, so it is not cheap. Let's have a look. Okay, so we're on a bed of shredded tissue paper, and we've got a little thank you tag there. So thank you. Okay, so making sure he's not looking because he's only up on the canopy. This is his Christmas present. This is a piece of olive wood carved into the shape of a cross and inlaid with turquoise. Isn't it absolutely stunning? As soon as I saw it, I knew that this was what I wanted to get him. And it comes on a leather thong with a magnetic catch. I thought a magnetic catch would be better. That's nice and it's quite strong. So Earth Vibe Botanicals, they do a lot of wood carved with crystal gemstone inlays, and it's beautiful. Oh, it smells. Oh, I hadn't realised that. Yeah, it smells like olive wood. So yeah, beautiful. These are custom made, so there was a bit of a wait for this one. I think it was only about 3 or 4 weeks to wait for it. But I'll put the links to Earth Vibe Botanicals in the description below. Gorgeous. Thank you very much. Put that away before it comes back in. I'll try and put it back in my envelope now. Thank you for watching. Join me again for the next unpacking. Thank you for joining us on this series of Christmas present unboxings. If you have enjoyed the videos, please give them a like. If you want to see more of our content, subscribe to our channel, click the bell for notifications so that you know when we upload new videos. And if you would like some other content, join us on patreon.com for patterns, workshops, craft and chats, and our new video series that's coming up, which are video patterns and chat shows with crochet designers with varying topics that we will talk about each month. Thank you for joining us, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.